Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Isawat Ibn Muhammad Zarkam. My student ID is 2023878186 and I'm from 81105M. Now I will present Industrial Training 2 FPA301 at Felda Ulu Jempol, Jengke, Pahang. And this is my biodata. So this organization profile, vision, to be a leading plantation management organization that promotes sustainable agriculture and improve the quality of the life settlers. And the mission, to improve productivity through innovative plantation management, to implement sustainable and environmentally responsible practices, and lastly, to support socio-economic development of the Felda community. Organization profile. Organization chart. First, Felda Plantation Management Ulu Jepul operates under Felda Plantation Management Sdn Bhd. The estate manage oil palm plantation to support settler income and national palm oil production. Operations are conducted in accordance with Good Agricultural Practices (GAP) and MSPO standard. For the main business, large-scale oil palm plantation management. It's also fresh fruit FFB production for palm oil mills and implementation of sustainable plantation practices. The location, the Felda Ulu Jempol, Bandar Pusat Jengke, Pahang, Malaysia. So this is my training schedule. Alright, so activity 1, harvesting. Objective of the activity, to collect ripe fresh fruit bunch at maximum quantity and quality. To maximize oil extraction rate by harvesting only ripe branch. And third, to prevent loose caused by overripe or uncollected branch and loose fruit. For the equipment, we use oil palm loading spike and oil palm sickle, home case to bake relay fruit, mechanization tools Commodore 700, personal protective equipment PPE. So the day begins with a 6:45 a.m. roll call, followed by a briefing by the assistant manager and attendance recording. At 8 a.m., staff travel to the plantation to monitor harvesting operation in phase 1, block 5, 6, and 7, including the use of mechanized equipment and a quality control procedure. A lunch break at 12:30 p.m. follows. Work resumes at 2:30 p.m. with the preparation of daily report and completion of logbook before ending the day at 5 p.m. So this is costing. First, we find a average branch fruit weight. So we got the total ton, we got a total bunch, and we multiply and we got 80.75 kg per one bunch. For next, check our price. Harvesting phase 1, years, and 1 metric ton equal to 36 ringgits. Alright, so 1 metric ton equal to 36 ringgits, and price bonus, it's an initiative day, so 10 ringgit and 65.38. So it's because it's below than 65.38 cents, and Ganga will get 5 ringgit 40 cents. So the costing, 1.67 metric ton multiply with 36 ringgit. So the price 60.12 cents plus 5 ringgit 40 cent for incentive, and he will get 65 ringgit point 52 cents. So this is picture. The first picture, as you can see, workers sorting palm fruits, and second picture, palm fruit placed in one place. For activity 2, fertilizer supply management. Objective of the activity: first, ensuring the quantity and the type of fertilizer receiving are the same purchasing order. To ensure the quantity and quality fertilizer is well maintained during storage. For equipment, we use tally counter and scissor. For the procedure, the day began with a 6:45 a.m. roll call and briefing by the assistant manager on receiving 80 tons of fertilizer, 1,600 bags, followed by clocking in via the punch card system. At 8 a.m., upon the lorry arrival, we supervised its packing and witnessed the seal breaking and monitor the unloading process to ensure accurate counting and prevent damage. After lunch, work resumed at 2:30 p.m. to oversee the same receiving and unloading procedure for the second lorry, with all tasks complete by 5:30 p.m. Costing one bag equal to 74 ringgit for 45 cents and one 1,600 multiplied to 74.45 cents, it's equal to 190,120. And cost sample 80 ton multiplied with 3 ringgit and equal to 240 ringgit. So the first picture, the fertilizer truck arrived, and second picture, student is cutting the rope, and third picture, fertilizer preparation is complete. Activity 3, fertilizer. Objective, provide the nutrient for good vegetative growth, accommodates the need for good early yields. Equipment, we use mechanized tool, Komodo C700, and fertilizer spreader, buckets, knife, personal protective equipment PPE. The material, fertilizer. The day began with a 6:45 a.m. roll call and a briefing from the assistant manager outlining the day's objective and targets. After the briefing, we record our attendance by punching our time cards. At 8 a.m., we accompany Mr. Hakim to Phase 1, Block 6 to observe the fertilizer process carried out by field workers. The observation focused on application techniques, adherence to dosage standards, and overall the work efficiency until 12 p.m. The observation session concluded at noon, marking the completion of the assigned task for the day. And the costing, one bag fertilizer equal to 50 kg per 18 tree. We got one tree, we got fertilizer cost, we got one bag, we got productivity, still lifting tree. So to find productivity, 18 tree multiply with 22 bags equal to 396 tree per day, and 396 per 140 divide by 145 tree and equal to 2.66 2.73 hectare per day, and 2.723 hectare per 6 divide by 6 workers equal to 1.365 hectare per man day. To find material cost, 22 bags multiply with 50 kg equal to 1,100 kg per 1.1 ton. 22 bag multiply with 64.45 cents equal to 1 bag of fertilizer, we will get 1,637 ringgit 90 cents, and we divide by 2.73 hectare and we got 599 599.96 cents. For find the labor cost, 2.80 ringgit multiply with 22 bags and we got 61.60 ringgit, and 22 bag multiply with 0.20 cents and we got 4 ringgit point 40 cents, and 61.60 cents that we got before plus 4.40 cents, and it equal to 66 ringgit man day and per day. So this is a picture. As you can see, both picture worker are spreading fertilizer evenly. So for the activity 4, arrange the EFB in 3 rings in the productive area. So objective of activity: to maintain the soil moisture, we control an oil pump function to replace organic fertilizer. And the equipment we use is wheelbarrow and oil pump loading spike. The material, empty fruit branch, and the procedure. The day started with a 6:45 a.m. roll call and briefing by the assistant manager, followed by attendance recording. At 8 a.m., activity will carry out in phase 2, involving the observation and participate in the empty branch arrangement process until 12 p.m. After the lunch, will resume at 2:30 p.m. to document observation in the logbook, and duties ended at 5 p.m. So the costing, we got transportation cost, we got 1 tree, 1 ton, 1 day, and 55 tree equal to 1 day to equal productivity. To find transportation cost, so 60 ringgit multiplied with 6 and equal to 96 ringgit per day and per trip. So 96 multiply with 6 and we got 567 per day and per 6 trip. To find labor cost EFB, 5, 5, 55 3 multiply with 1 ringgit 50 cents and equal to 63.25 cents. So this is a picture student is so the first picture student is sending EFB, and second picture the EFB arrangement is complete. For the activity 5, basal pruning. The objective facilitates the detection of ripe fresh fruit bunch, and second facilitates the collection of bunch and loose fruits, cleans the area around the base of the palm. So the equipment we use is chisel size 5 cm, long glove, iron hook, and the procedure. The day began with a 6:45 roll call and briefing by the assistant manager, followed by attendance recording. After that, we accompany Encik Amirul to phase 3 to monitor Basapurni activities, ensuring proper front path determination, correct cutting techniques close to the palm base, and orderly arrangement of cut fronts along the designated front path. And the costing, we got 1 hectare equal to 122 ringgits 70 cents, and the productivity, uh, after that we got the information of phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So if 1 day 3.25 hectare, so 122 ringgit 70 cents multiplied with 3.25 hectare, and we got 398.77 cents, and 1 hectare equal to 122 ringgit 70 cents plus with 4 ringgit point 8 cents for incentive. So 126 ringgit point 78 cents, it's divided by 5 men, and we got 25 ringgit point 36 cents per 1 man. So nets 398 ringgit point 77 cents plus with 4 ringgit 8 cents, and we just used like before 402 ringgit point 86 cents is divided by 5 men, and we got 80 ringgit 57 cents. So this is a picture of basa pruning, and the first picture they are disposing of the dry fronds, and second pictures the manager this is demonstrating an example to the workers. And the conclusion, the industrial training at Felda Plantation Management Ulu Jempol provided valuable exposure to modern oil palm estate operation. I gained hands-on experience in key fields activity, strengthening my technical knowledge and practical application of agronomic principle. The training also enhanced essential soft skills such as communication, problem solving, and adaptability to field conditions. Overall, the experience improved my professional readiness and highlighted the importance of discipline, safety, and systematic management in ensuring productive and efficient plantation operation. And my recommendation to improve future industrial training effectiveness, estate management should provide a more comprehensive induction covering safety, work procedures, estate layout, and expectation. Supplying clear technical reference materials and would help trainees perform tasks accurately. Enhancing field signage would also improve navigation and monitoring. From the institution side, early hands-on exposure to plantation equipment and data recording tools would better prepare students. Overall, this improvement would make the training program more structured, informative, and effective. This is my reference. So that's all from me. Thank you.